Are you going to put Robot Theresa to work now?
Yes, she will gonna go to the carriage to the ladies with the kids. Apple juices as well?
I am going to work now. Hello, here is your dish.
What was the experience like?
It was interesting.
Children loved it.
Yeah, the children did.
Yeah.
Freya, what did you think of the robot?
Did you find her pleasant to
Yes.
talk
Yes,
to?
very
polite.
Very polite.
Very doesn't actually talk.
Hello, how are you today?
It's really simple to use, which is to press any table number and choose the dish and just press start, and then she's gonna go to the table which has been selected.
I am going to work now. Hello, here is your dish. Please take it away from my tray.
Do you wanna touch the red hand so it will move now?
The red hand?
Yeah, it's on each side.
I am going back to work now.
That was an amazing experience.
Yes, definitely. Really good.
Were you expecting anything like this at all this morning?
No, absolutely not.
She memorizes, she has her own base where she's always staying. She's not replacing any human being, it's just assist the person, like assist the waitress to help them. Maybe one day is gonna be our future, but at the moment like it's just for fun, for attract people, kids, and just have such a nice time here.
Hello, how are you today?